Imagine you are a naturalist photographer. You love capturing some of the beautiful scenes of nature, the small little movements made by wildlife, and you have gone on a trip with your team. So intense and so passionate are you about your work that you hardly realize the changes around you. All of a sudden, you hear rumbling in the sky. You look up. Gosh, you see a dark funnel-shaped cloud moving towards you with great speed. You are aghast. You are shocked. You know you have to run for your life. You immediately look for a place that can be your shelter to save you from a mighty tornado. Few minutes later, you look up. The sky has cleared. Don't you have millions of reasons to thank your nervous system? Enough reasons to think and wonder about the fascinating brain? Well, it was responsible in helping you to perceive the changes around you, to analyze the situation, to take some quick decisions, and to flee for your life, for shelter, and it saved you from the tornado. Remember, in our daily life, every action is controlled. It is being monitored. It is being decided by our brain. There is a rich legacy which we have inherited in the course of evolution. The human brain is just fascinating. It's an engineering and communication marvel. People compare it to the computer, but believe me, it's far superior than even a computer. Isn't it interesting then that we should study about our brain? But before that, let us remember that the nervous system in man is of three types. The central nervous system, made up of the brain and the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system consists of nerves between the organs and the central nervous system. The autonomic nervous system, made up of two systems, parasympathetic and sympathetic. It is made up of nerves and ganglia that lie on either sides of the vertebral column. In fact, this system is outside and parallel to the central nervous system. Coming to the brain, it is one of the mighty big organ of our body. Look at the surface of the brain. It has a number of folds on it. You can see the folds. These are called as the gyri. The depressions between the folds is called as the sulci. The entire brain is made up of structural and functional units called as the neurons, billions of them. We will be studying in detail about the neuron and how it functions. But before that, we should know certain other things. The mass of this brain is about 1,300 grams. It is situated in the skull, the brain box, which we call as the cranium. Well, this cranium is protective. It is hard, so it protects the soft brain inside. What is the human brain made up of? It consists of the forebrain, the midbrain, and the hindbrain. The forebrain is made up of olfactory lobes, cerebrum, diencephalon. Midbrain is made up of optic lobes, cerebral peduncles, and the hindbrain is made up of cerebellum, pons, and medulla oblongata.